Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for such a good response on my previous videos. Keep supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further delay, let's get into today's topic.
So today's topic is on 0-1 matrix and directed graphs. So let us get into the topic. Introduction to 0-1 matrices and directed graphs. So 0-1 matrices are matrices where each element is either 0 or 1, commonly used to represent relationships in directed graphs. Here's an example of 0-1 matrix where A and B are the 0-1 matrix. A union B and A join B are shown here. The directed graphs a set of vertices connected by the edges with the direction indicating the relationship between the vertices. So directed graphs have the edges with the directions. Next is properties of 0-1 matrices. 0-1 matrices, the diagonal elements are always 0 since there are no flip-flops in directed graphs. So these have elements are always 0 since there are no self-loops in the directed graph. The elements of 0-1 matrix can be interpreted as whether there is a connection between two vertices in the directed graph. 0-1 matrices are often used in practical applications to model relationships such as social networks or transportation systems. So these first point is they are 0 since they have no self loops. Then they can be interpreted as there is a connection between two vertices in the directed graph. And the third one, that practical application is in model relationships such as social networks and transportation systems. So representing directed graph with 0-1 matrix. So in the 0-1 matrix, a representation of directed graph, um, the entry index indicates a directed edge from vertex I to vertex J. The 0-1 matrix allow for the efficient storage and manipulation of graph information, making them useful in algorithm design. By analyzing the patterns in 0-1 matrix, one can draw insights into the structure and connectivity of the corresponding directed graphs. So here is first we can see here is the matrix. Then this is the relation, that is the subset of the matrix x comma x1 comma y1, x2 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Here is the the directed graph, which is shown here. The connection. These are the edges and these are the vertices. Now let us learn what are the operations on the 0-1 matrix. Addition of 0-1 matrix involves element-wise addition, model 2, which corresponds to the logical OR operation in graph theory. So we already know what is OR operation, that is the addition to the uh, corresponding logical operation. Multiplication of 0-1 matrices represents the composition of directed graphs where a non-zero entry in the product matrix indicates a path between two vertices. So 0-1 matrix can be exponentiated to represent the number of paths of certain lengths between the vertices in the directed graph. So here is an example again of a 0-1 matrix where the A and B are the true matrices given. Here we multiply the row with the column. One row of matrix A with the column of matrix B, and we get the output as this here when we multiply the row of the matrix A with the column of the matrix B. Now let us go to the next slide. Applications of 0-1 matrix, as we studied in the previous slides, that it can be used in social networking or transportation communications. Here we can be the applications of 0 are commonly used in network analysis to study connectivity and information flow in directed graph. So they are also utilized in modeling biological networks such as gene regulatory networks and protein-protein interaction networks. These are few biological uses of 0-1 matrices. In computer science, 0-1 matrices play a crucial role in algorithm design for tasks like shortest path finding and network optimization. The shortest path finding and network optimizations will be used in computer science in analysis of design as well as data structures. So this matrix will be used in those subjects. And the application of matrices are graph theory, linear combination, computer graphics, solving linear equations, and cryptography. Cryptography can be used in cybersecurity too. Algorithms for zero-one matrix and directed graphs. The Floyd virtual algorithm utilizes zero-one matrices to find the shortest path between all the various vertices in the directed graph. The Floyd virtual algorithm we have already studied in the analysis of design theory. So this in that, we have used the zero-one matrix to find the shortest path between all the pair of vertices and the directed graph. So depth first search also the depth first search and the breadth first search algorithms are also being studied in the data structures. So we have previously used this zero-one matrix in those topics as well. To traverse and explore the connectivity of directed graph, the zero-one matrix is instrumental in implementation of dynamic programming techniques for solving translated problems as well as efficiently. So here we can see that the this is the directed graph where 2 is directed towards 1 and 0 is always as well as directed towards 1, and the distance between the 0 and 1 is 3 and 2 and 1 is 4. So the directed graph represents the direction as well as the distance between the two vertices. So this is the edge that is directed as well as it shows the path between the length between two vertices. Next is challenges and limitations of zero-one matrix. Zero-one matrix may become computational expensive for large-scale graphs due to their quadratic operation storage requirements. So they can be expensive for large-scale graphs due to their quadratic storage requirements, representing weighted edges or multiple edges between vertices in directed graphs are not straightforward using zero-one matrix. Analyzing the properties of complex networks with hierarchical structure may pose challenges with zero-one matrix for representation. So these are also few limitations of zero-one matrix. Next is future directions in zero-one matrix and directed graph. Search in developing sparse matrix representation and efficient algorithms for zero-one matrices in directed graph. So we can do there's a research in developing fast matrix, then exploring the integration of machine learning techniques with zero-one matrix to extract meaningful patterns with insights from graph data, investigating the applications of zero-one matrix in dynamic graphs and involving network scenarios for real-time analysis and design making. Conclusion from the whole presentation, we can learn that zero-one matrix provides a concise, powerful representation of directed graphs, enabling the previous graph analysis task and algorithm design. Understanding the properties and operations of zero-one matrix is essential for researchers, developers, practitioners in fields like computer science, mathematical, network analysis, as well as biological field. By leveraging the rich framework of zero-one matrix, we can continue to advance our understanding and applications of directed graphs in diverse domains. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.